Próxima parada, Forte dos Reis Magos.
Sejam todos bem-vindos ao projeto Tourduasrodas, destino Natal.
Vamos aproveitar o vídeo e falar um pouco aqui de música. Nesses últimos vídeos eu estou publicando músicas criadas por mim, escritas por mim, muitas instrumentais, muitas não instrumentais, criadas com auxílio de inteligência artificial. E essas músicas estão sendo publicadas nas plataformas digitais, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, e assim por aí vai. Então, se você estiver gostando de alguma música, aí embaixo do vídeo deve aparecer o card do artista que eu botei para essa música. Eu estou colocando artista, estou colocando meu nome, Paulo Araújo, como artista. Estou colocando artistas fictícios como Laura Robin, que estou colocando como música pop. Aí pop rock eu estou colocando Amphion. Aqui e lá eu coloco uma sertaneja, que é meio difícil colocar sertanejo aqui, mas tem sertanejo com Melissa Melis lá. Então, se você estiver gostando de alguma música que esteja tocando no vídeo, procura aqui embaixo os cards de direitos autorais, que vai aparecer o artista. Já está no YouTube Music também. se dirigindo nesse momento até o Forte dos Reis Magos, aqui pelo Passarela. Bom dia. Já eu venho.
O Forte dos Reis Magos, aqui em Natal, parece até uma peça de Lego gigante, só que com mais história e menos plástico. Construído em formato de estrela, ele foi estrategicamente colocado aqui, em 1598, para proteger o litoral brasileiro dos piratas e invasores estrangeiros. O mais interessante é que o forte começou a ser erguido no dia 6 de janeiro, dia de Reis Magos, daí o nome. Hoje, além de ser um ótimo lugar para tirar fotos, é um belo exemplo de como os portugueses sabiam construir suas casinhas à prova de pirata.
Passagem secreta. É, uma passagem secreta fechada, né?
On the tracks of madness, we found each other. An electric shock, a lightning bolt cutting through us. Heart racing, soul ablaze. In this frenetic dance without direction. Chains of passion bind us, set us free. A fire that consumes but never burns out. Amidst the chaos we find peace. Our soul experience in one place. Breaking all the rules, defying the world. Our love is wild, a deep hurricane. criticism and judgments. To hell with opinions. Only what we feel matters. This strong union. Chains of passion bind us, set us free. A fire that consumes but never burns out. Amidst the chaos we find peace. Our soulmate spirits in one place. Like thunder, passion explodes within us. An overwhelming feeling that makes us soar. Together we're invincible. To hell with opinions. Only what we feel matters. This strong union. Like thunder, passion explodes within us. An overwhelming feeling that makes us soar. Together we're invincible. Nothing can separate us. An eternal love that life cannot erase. Chains of passion bind us, set us free. A fire that consumes but never burns out. Amidst the chaos we find peace. Our soulmate spirit in one place. In one place. In one place. In one place.
Ah, os canhões da época da invasão holandesa, os tipos de fortificação da capital contra os invasores.
But she's still there, flashing LEDs, a story untold. Tattoos tracing memories lost in this city at any cost. She's wired for the fight, a rebel in the night. Emotions burning, flashes bright. In a world that's cold, she's the light. Cyber girl with the ponytail, in the streets where the systems fail. Explosions of sound, electric dreams. Her power's more than it seems. Oh, she's dancing in the rain, through the chaos and the pain. Her heart beats a world gone numb. Cyber angel, here she comes. Chrome streets, the shadows fade. Her eyes are fire, never afraid. Wires tangle, sparking life. In her grip, the edge of a knife. Colors burst like shattered glass. In this city, nothing lasts. She's a storm you can't contain, running through the dim Explosions of sound, electric dreams. Her power's more than it seems. Oh, she's dancing in the rain, through the chaos and the pain. Her heart beats, the world gone numb. Cyber angel, here she comes. Platinum hair, a glowing streak, a force so strong, a future so bleak. But through the dark, she'll always run. Cyber angel, she's the one. Oceans burning, flashes bright. In a world that's cold, she's the light. Cyber girl with the ponytail, in the streets where the systems fail. Explosions of sound, electric dreams. Her power's more than it seems. Oh, she's dancing in the rain, through the chaos and the pain. Her heart beats in a world gone numb. Cyber angel, here she comes. Chrome streets, the shadows fade. Her eyes are fire, never afraid. Wise tangles marking life, in her quick fuse of a knife. Colors blur like shattered glass. In this city, nothing will last. But she's a storm you can't contain, riding through the digital rain. She's wired for the fight, unraveling in the night. Emotions burning, flashes bright. In a world that's cold, she's the light. Cyber girl with the ponytail, in the streets where the systems fail. Explosions of sound, electric dreams. Her power's more than it seems. Oh, she's dancing in the rain, through the chaos and the pain. Her heart beats in a world gone numb. Cyber angel, here she comes. Tattooed skin tells her story of broken dreams and hidden glory. In a flash she'll make her mark, burning brighter in the dark. Cyber girl with the ponytail, in the streets where the systems fail. Explosions of sound, electric dreams. Her power's more than it seems. Oh, she's dancing in the rain, through the chaos and the pain. Her heart beats in a world gone numb. Cyber angel, here she comes. Platinum hair, a glowing streak, a force so strong, the future so bleak. But through the dark she'll always run. Cyber angel.
Gostou do conteúdo? Então o que está esperando? Deixe seu like e se inscreva no canal para mais vídeos como este.